Perk TV used to be one of the easiest passive earning apps because users could run videos and collect points almost hands-free, but the app's value has changed a lot over the years. By the end of this, you'll know if Perk TV is still usable in 2026, how it works, and whether your time is better spent somewhere else. Perk TV is a rewards app built around watching sponsored videos. You earn points while ads and clips play, then redeem those points for gift cards or cash rewards depending on what's available. The setup is simple. Download the app, create an account, log in, and start a playlist. That's the main process. The big question is whether it still pays. Yes. Perk TV is legit, in the sense that it has historically paid users. The issue is availability and consistency. The app has gone through changes, and in some regions it's harder to find active earning opportunities than it used to be. Here's what matters. First, earning speed. Perk TV is slow. Watching videos gives small amounts of points per playlist. That means it's passive, but it also means you're trading time for low-value rewards. If your goal is fast cash, this is not the app for that. Second, device management. Perk TV works best if you leave it running in the background or on a spare phone. If you're using your main device, battery drain, screen time, and app interruptions make it less practical. Third, cash out options. Perk TV has traditionally offered gift cards from stores like Amazon and retail brands. Before starting, check what rewards are currently active in your country because options can change. Now, the important part. Compared to newer apps like Swagbucks, Free Cash, or Inbox Dollars, Perk TV feels outdated because it relies on one slow earning method instead of multiple options like surveys, offers, and cashback. That doesn't make it useless. If you already have an old spare phone and don't mind running videos in the background, it can still be a small side earner. If you want faster payouts, newer GPT apps usually make more sense. So here's the summary. Perk TV is legit. It still works in some cases. It's easy to use, passive, and simple to understand. The downside is slow earnings, fewer active opportunities, and limited flexibility. The practical next step is simple. Install it, test one payout cycle, and compare that time against another app. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check the next app review before you spend your time.